Hi, my name is Anthony Catanese, also known as Tony Goggles, and I am a filmmaker. I have made such classics as Sodomaniac, Girls Just Want to Have Blood, was also part of an anthology series, High Death, and the upcoming High Fear. And I've also made multiple music videos through my production company, which is called DI, the word Y Films, DIY Films. What started me with the filmmaking bug is like most filmmakers as a kid, you had a video camera and you'd make things with your toys and things like that. But originally I wanted to be a comic book artist. And I was pretty good at drawing, but I never felt like my skills were there. And then I saw an interview with Kevin Eastman, and he said drawing comic books is like you're a film director when you're laying out panels and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, okay, film director. And I felt like I can do a lot more within film than I could within drawing, at least from things like that. Do you hear that? Do you guys like a whisper? Is somebody whispering? No? Okay, I guess it's me. So then I started that, and then again throughout high school and stuff, I made my own films. My first film was called All Dressed Up and No Place to Go, that I made by myself in my bedroom at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I did that, and then once I graduated high school, I went and worked for Trauma, which really showed me how I can really make things on a low budget and like for real. Like no one's hearing that. Am I going crazy? You're not hearing this? Okay. I'd have to say like the hardest challenge of like especially independent filmmaking, I mean other than really finance, getting the money together for everything, is oh my god. It is really getting hot in here. Did you guys like turn up the heat? I'm sweating to death here. Oh my. All right, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know. I just don't feel good all of a sudden. I don't. So I worked there, and so when I got back, I just took everything I learned from there and just started making my own movies with my partner Sarah, and we've been making it ever since. And we've gotten bigger, bigger budgets, not too big, but way bigger than when we started, which was pretty much zero. Now we have maybe 25 cents to use on a film. But yeah, that's pretty much how I got started and where the bug is, and it's still with me.